What is acupuncture, anyway? It doesn't matter how popular a natural medical technique becomes, there will always be some mystery that surrounds it. This is especially true in cases such as with acupuncture, where the treatment itself is steeped in ancient medical customs. If you're apprehensive about going through acupuncture treatments because you're unaware of what is involved, you may actually be surprised to find out exactly how westernized the practice has become. Let's take a look at acupuncture and find out what you can expect whenever you go in for your visit to the acupuncturist. Acupuncture has been around for about 5,000 years, but it really has only become popular in the United States in the past couple of decades. It is increasing in popularity, however, and millions of people are introducing themselves to this natural way of healing on a yearly basis. The process of acupuncture has more to do with the energy that resides in all of us than with the actual inserting of needles. If the energy that is within our bodies is out of balance, it can be readjusted and put back into a balanced state through acupuncture. According to traditional Chinese medicine, this energy, known as qi, flows through all of us through about 14 different channels. If one of these channels should distribute this energy improperly, it can cause physical maladies that we experience, such as pain or depression. The needles that are used by an acupuncturist stimulate these different channels and cause a free flow of energy to the area that is being affected. Most people are nervous over the needles that are used, mainly because they are accustomed to being hurt by needles at the doctor's office. The fact of the matter is, the needles that are used during an acupuncture treatment are much smaller than those that can deliver vaccines to us. Whenever they are inserted into the skin, more often than not, nothing is felt at all. If there is some pain, it is very slight and goes away quickly. The best thing that you can do for yourself if you're apprehensive about visiting an acupuncturist is to go in for an initial consultation. You will see that they are not some kind of weird doctor, but they are actually in the medical profession and willing to help you medically. By talking to them face to face, you will no doubt find the confidence that you need in order to go ahead with the treatment.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.